morning, YouTubers. It's Brian Paraginian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Right now, you've got the S&P futures trading up 2 1/4 points at 1069.50. Today, we do have the Fed's decision on interest rates, so be careful in here today if you're day trading. It probably should be fairly quiet, I would think, surrounding the report. You know, they might want to try and push the market up, but did they maybe push it up yesterday prior to the report? All I can say is I want you to be careful up here. It does look like the stock market does want to grind its way higher here. Looks like they might want to have a blow off here and go test 10,000 and even take it up and through 10,000. We'll have to see, but all I can tell you is if this grinding continues on up higher and they start accelerating this move up, to me you're going to have more than a correction when this ends. That's all I can say. Heading into today, a couple ideas I want to share with you. YRCW. I want you to take a look at that. You can take a look on the charts that it's getting ready to break out. YRC Worldwide. Now that's a trucking company. Take a look at this one here. Very intriguing on the charts. The risk-reward ratio looks great. It actually has broken out of a downtrend line. 460 would be another breakout above, and your risk-reward ratio is more than definitely 2 to 1. So I'd look at YRCW. That looks intriguing. You can run your stop down below the 385 area. Stock closes 435 yesterday. Another stock I want to share with you is Modine Manufacturing. MOD, the stock recently just came back to its, as I'm pulling up the chart here, the stock just recently came back to the 50-day moving average. Now it looks like it's regained it and is ready to take out a downtrend line. This here also looks interesting to me. You can run a stop on this here down below the lows of 735, down in that area. Risk-reward ratio looks great on that as well. Could run right on back to its old highs here for the year of close to $10. Another stock I mentioned here a few days ago, Rosetta Stone, RST. It's starting to get hot here, and if you take a look at the chart on this one here, certainly looks to me like this stock's pushing above $24 a share, that it's a straight gap on up to $26.80. So again, we're already long this stock ourselves here at $23.10. It only closed $23.64 yesterday. It went up and pushed that 24 level again. If it starts taking out 24 and you start getting an increase in volume, I'd look to take the play here. It looks like it counts up to $26.80 where there's a gap on the stock. So once we push through 24, we're going to raise our stop to 23. For the time being, our stop is in at 22.30. Once we push through 24, we're going to raise our stop to 23. So at that point, you've got almost a 3 to 1 risk-reward ratio. I really like that setup as well. All I can say is be careful in this market. If they take this market and accelerate it out of here, which they very well could on the Fed decision, all I'm going to tell you is I think you're going to have more than just a correction if they start taking this market in a parabolic move. That's all I'm going to say. You're hearing it here first. I'm forewarning you now. If this market goes parabolic here, when it does stop, we're going to be in for more than just a slight correction. Right now, I think we're due for a correction, but if they take a parabolic correction, no, I think you're going to have more than just a correction. So anyways, all I can say is if you're watching this video, go to our website, okay? Take advantage of a 1-week trial. That's right. Go to our website, take advantage of the trial. You're going to love what we do here. We send out swing trade alerts via email so you never miss anything. Also, we have daily live webcasts every single day. You'll see what we're trading on a daily basis in a real-time setting. We'll teach you how to trade here. We'll answer whatever questions you might have. Take advantage of the 1-week free trial. No credit cards, no nothing. I can't stress this any more than to say it's free. So I'm going to leave you with that. I got to scoot on out of here and get prepared for today's live webcast. You have yourselves a great, enjoyable day and safe trading.